Hey YouTubers and friends, Ed Marvin here. Here's the project I'm building. Low budget, 2-inch dredge. Drop down riffle system made out of a truck bed liner. And pontoons are from water softener. I still need to get some caps for it. Framing's out of 3/4 inch 40 sash PVC with a wood core and held together by bungee cords. Yeah, I made a video last night of it and posted it for a little while. After 3 views, I decided to pull it, but oh well. There's my other project. If I had a shop geared towards metal work like AU and some of the other guys, Indy and some of the other guys, well, maybe not Indy, Grey Wolf from British Columbia and Hickson AU from British Columbia. All I need now is a pump, 1 1.5 or 2-inch pump to mount on there to drive my 2-inch dredge. The pump I have with J. Gamble's is a 3-inch pump. That's too big and heavy for this project. I use those on that high banker and that high banker, and then on that high banker I use a little pump that's in there with my Jenny that's down there, part of my messy shop. But so there's my latest project. Let me know what you think. I have a good idea. It's gonna work just fine. Can't wait to get a pump and dredge hose. I also have 2 PVC suction nozzles I made. I'm gonna find out which one works better. Either that one or that one. I have an idea this one will work better. I'm gonna put a reducer on the ends though, from 2-inch to 1.5 inch or whatever I can, because I don't want nothing too big going in there and clogging it up. You know how that could be. My feed to the venturi part of the nozzle is 1 inch. So there's my latest project. I'm gonna hook up with one of my buddies, Joe. You've seen a video out at his place. I'm gonna be dredging there, and I test all my stuff there. He's gonna hook me up with some 2-inch suction hose, and then get some discharge hose to feed my nozzle, and there it is. But I thought I'd share my latest project with you. This is Ed Marvin. Y'all have a great one out there. Season's coming up on us fast. I plan on getting out there a lot and doing a lot of prospecting. If you're in the Buckeye Prospectors, I hope to run into you at one of our 4 claimed properties in Ohio or somewhere throughout the country. Y'all have a good one, and be safe while you're out there working on the gravel bars or underwater. Well, that's enough for now. I'm out of here.